Another easy recipe for your Sittin chicken steamer. This is just so easy. All you do, you can put some onions in it if you want to, it doesn't really matter. Get some chicken broth. Fill your Sittin chicken steamer all the way up to the vents with chicken broth. It's that easy. That's right. All you do is put your chicken on the Sittin chicken steamer. Get your chicken rub. Put it all over the chicken. You can't put too much of this. I'll tell you what, the Sittin chicken steamer, you'll use this thing once, twice a week if you eat chicken a lot. I know we do at our house. You're gonna love this. Put your all-purpose seasoning underneath the skin, the grill, the steamer, the cooker, the oven, it doesn't really matter. The Sittin chicken steamer with chicken broth, this one tastes great. Let's go put it in the smoker and we'll bring it out in just a second and you'll see in about 2.5 hours just how good this chicken is. Wow, this thing's been smoking for about 3 hours in our smoker. Look how golden brown this thing is. How can you not love this? I'll tell you what, it's kind of hot, but oh man, is that awesome. Look at that. Make sure you get the Sittin chicken steamer. You're gonna love this. This thing is awesome.